The Royal Kit Smart Wallet for Men combines a slim profile with a clever pop-up mechanism that fans out your most used cards with a single press. Despite its compact size, the wallet comfortably manages everyday carry with space for roughly 9 to 14 cards, a clear window for identification, and a separate area for folded cash. Its exterior pairs top-grain leather with a rigid aluminum core, giving the wallet a refined look while keeping it resistant to bending, scuffing, and daily wear. The dimensions are small enough to sit flat in a front pocket, which makes it more comfortable for long periods of sitting and helps reduce bulk compared with a traditional billfold. Built-in RFID shielding helps protect contactless cards from casual skimming, adding a layer of security that frequent travelers and commuters will appreciate. A magnetic closure and gift-ready presentation make it feel more premium in hand, and also turn it into an easy, thoughtful present for occasions like birthdays or holidays.